with me? It's time for crafting! This is the design. And this is how I put them together, and I customized the design, especially the subject. Okay, the Happy Easter, I replaced it with Jesus. So we can definitely customize anything on the design at the Silhouette design store that we bought. So the flowers, yeah. So I'll put bleeding on the printouts that I will do. So I'll do first the printing area of my artwork, but with mixed cardboard glittered cardstock cutting. Why I use bleeding? This is in case when my cutter will not cut properly, at least I have leeway on my designs to cut at least good. The flowers are beautiful, so I'll just color it according to the glittered stock that I need to use. But in this case, the base, I colored it the same color as the whole design, like on that wheel. Okay, so I will have, yeah, and I also organize the cut lines, so not all are turned on. You remember that, huh? If we buy a design on the Silhouette Designs website, so let us check if the cutting lines are turned on or off first before we cut it officially. Yeah, so the flowers. So I want to color that silver, the petals. I just colored it white. Okay, so that I'll not be confused. And then this one, I'll use the color green glittered cardstock on that one, and then the name Jesus, red glittered stock, and that cross, color red glittered stock also. That red, ayan. And then I put it on the second page, in which, so I will not be confused, I will have a separate page for cardstocks cutting. This is for printing because I don't have yellow, and yeah, so I'll just print it. Cut lines. Yeah, so I am trying to fix. And of course, don't forget to save. Yun, printing time. I'm using my legendary Canon G1010 printer. What to use? Photo papers, glossy. Glitterized cardstocks, different colors. Glue. And these tools for weeding all the cut materials that are sticked on the cutting mat. But of course, our premium blade from Silhouette Cameo and the original mat. Goodbye, auto blade. Tabi ka muna. Ayun, so adjust the blade according to what you need. So, mga cardstocks yan. So, I adjusted that to 6. And by the way, so these are the bridges for the cutting mat in case you don't know how to use it. Cutting time! So I will remove what I already cut on the mat, and I'll set aside it for the assembly of the pop-up card later. While cutting the printed photo paper, syempre, kapag pinutol, ang kapalaran ay iwiwid. Sa totoo lang, this is my favorite part. I love assembly time! Good thing about the designs present in the design store, the Silhouette, is that you can customize them as well according to what you need, and remove the things that you think will not suit your personality or your creativity. Of course, the cross is also main subject. Buuin na natin siya. Yay! This is the base of the pop-up card, wherein dyan natin itatayo yung mga designs. So the peg is back to back. I put glue dun sa base. Let's insert the centerpiece, yung cross. Ayan, so lagay glue sa ilalim. Then, yung nasa front niya, ayan, so isagad natin yun ha, then put glue. Be sure folded siya, okay, para pag nabuksan natin walang problema. Then put glue as well. Dun ulit. Then, yung parang wheel at the back, so we'll put it, ayan, same process. Then glue it. Okay. It has broken lines for the pattern hanggang saan yun iguglue natin. And then, ayan, the base. Be sure to paste the edges. Then, let's assemble the pentagon base. Yay! So that the pop-up card will be sturdy enough kapag inopen natin yung pop-up card. Ito siya. Kompleto na ang tropa. Let's try! And don't forget to paste yung name. Okay, pwedeng Happy Easter kasi nakalagay dyan, but I use Jesus. You can put glue doon sa lock sa gilid. Ayan, so what I did is that I put glue. Hindi pa siya masyadong dry, the glue. So, eto na siya. Ow! Ayan. So, I'll just wait for the glue to be dry na lang. And here's my first project in crafting. And of course, this project will not be possible without my Silhouette Cameo 3 cutter plotter machine. This is when I put already the glue on the back part of the pentagon and the base so that they are glued together.
Yeah,
And
that's
it's
right.
sturdy. May bata na naman ako kasama. Final product. Thank you for watching, guys!